Ever wondered how to turn on voice chat in Roblox for 2025? Well, buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secret to chatting with your friends in just minutes. No confusion, no complicated steps, just a simple, fast guide. First things first, head over to roblox.com/home. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page. You should see a little settings icon. Go ahead and click on it, then select settings. This is where the magic begins. Alright. Here's where it gets interesting. Next, you want to navigate to the privacy section and click on the content maturity tab. Then, hit the communication tab. This is where you take control of who hears you in game. It could be everyone, just your friends, or if you're feeling a little antisocial, no one at all. But, and this is important, if you don't see the voice chat option here, don't freak out yet. You're not out of luck. We still have one more step to check. Now, let's head over to the account info tab. Here's where things get real. This is the final piece of the puzzle if you want to enable voice chat in 2025. So here's the scoop. If you're under 13, voice chat is a no-go. We've all been there, right? But don't hang your head just yet. There's still a way forward for those who are older. If things aren't working and you're thinking, what's going on? Here's what you need to know. If your phone number is verified, you might be all set. Yep, that's right. You're almost there. But here's the twist. If your phone number can't be verified, or if your country doesn't support it, then there's one last hurdle to clear. You'll need to verify your age using a government-issued ID. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, I have to upload an ID? Yep, exactly. But here's the thing. It's a quick step that makes sure you're not just any random player, and it guarantees a safe experience for everyone in the game. You'll be up and chatting in no time. And that's it. You did it. Once you've verified your settings and age, you're good to go. You're all set to chat away and join your friends in a whole new level of fun. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow the steps right now, and watch your Roblox experience change forever. Don't forget to hit that like button if this guide helped you, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this. Let's get chatting.